have a truck. See this thing right here? There's one back there. That's it? Push it, yeah. Push it. Push it, and then you kind of open the door.
We're going to the moon.
Wow, I never been in one of these.
We're 360ing you.
Yeah, I bought it for the batteries. Will your neighbor mind if I turn around in his driveway?
360.
No. They're
Oh, it's a 360 camera.
Yeah.
Are they not in?
Huh?
These guys will be okay if I turn
Oh
around in
yeah.
the driveway?
Yeah, they're fine.
Yeah, all
I
of
know
our
some-
neighbors are cool.
Okay, I know some people.
It's very roomy.
There's Tim.
All right.
That's pretty dark. Oh well. Okay.
Hard to see.
What's the matter? You hot?